So good morning everybody. So today we are going to start the new chapter, probability. What is mean by probability? Yeah. So already we discussed in a class yesterday. Yeah, it is an extent to which the extent to which something is likely to happen. Something is likely to happen. Something is likely to happen. So when you are doing some experiment, you will get some outcomes. Am I right, dear? Yeah. So it may be a even chance of getting even chance, that is 50% chance. Otherwise certain happen, or it will not happen, that is impossible. Otherwise likely, less likely, or more likely. Okay, so when you are doing some experiment, there is a equal chance of getting, even chance of getting. It may certain happen, or it may not happen, or more likely happen, or less likely happen. Okay, now tell me, what is meant by outcome? What is meant by outcome? So when you are doing some experiment, something that follows, something that follows as a result, as a result. So when you are doing some experiment, we will get something. Am I right? So that is if something that follows as a result or consequence. So after doing some experiment, we will get some result. That is called as what? Outcomes. Am I right, dear? Okay. Then what is meant by event? What is meant by event? What is meant by event? That collection of some outcomes from that experiment. What is that? Collection of some outcomes, of an experiment. Collection of some outcomes of an experiment. Outcomes of an experiment. Okay. Then what is meant by trial? Trial means what? If you are tossing a coin, that is called trial. An action. It is an action which results in one or more outcomes. Action which results in one or several outcomes. It is called as what? Trial. Are you getting dear? Yes. And then after that, what is the probability of getting that event? That probability of getting an event. Probability of getting an event. And the probability of getting an event is nothing but number of trials in which what happened? The total number of trials. That is probability of getting an event. E indicates what? Event. That the probability of getting an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Am I right, dear? Yes. And then an event cannot happen, then it is called as what? Impossible event. An event cannot happen, it is called as what? Impossible event. The probability of an impossible event is 0. That probability of an impossible event is what? 0. Impossible event is 0. the probability upon sure event. That means what? If you are doing some experiment, it is going to be happen surely. Then it is called as what? Sure event. That event is called as what? Sure event. That the probability upon sure event is 1. That the probability upon sure event is what? 1. Then that probability of an event always lies between 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. And then one more thing there. That the probability of getting an event plus probability of not getting an event is always 1. Probability of getting an event plus probability of not getting an event, it is always 1. So yesterday we discussed everything in a class. So we can move to the exercise now. Are you getting there? Yes. In the next video we will discuss the solution for the exercise questions. Thank you.